to another 2 minutes or so tutorial from Great Balls of Flour. This one is on how to press, not roll, press your pizza dough ball out to create the perfect rim and crust, if you like. Cornicione, they call it over in Italy, but as I'm not from Italy, I'm here in Yorkshire, we just could call it our rim. So we have our perfectly rested, warmed up dough ball. We have our pizza oven, the Sage oven here, so we can cook indoors. Set to 400 degrees, it is at temperature. Watch how quick this is. We're going to do it in real time. After a bit of practice, and that's genuinely all it takes. We know that from the first couple of times you do it, I'm sprinkling some flour and semolina on here, you're not going to create a perfectly round one. You know, I've made thousands of pizzas, and I would say I still have the odd misshapen pizza. But if it tastes good, does it care? Do you care really what it actually looks like? So there we go. I've got it out of our pre-food pots. I'm just going to roll it into the flour and semolina so it doesn't stick to the surface. Then using just my 4 digits, my foot of each hand, I'm going to press out. Rotate it 90 degrees. And what I'm trying to do is create a rim that's about 1 centimetre at the edge. And then I'll have 29 centimetres across the diameter. All the way around the circumference of the pizza, I will have that beautiful rim that rises. I'm going to continue basically just to rotate it 90 degrees, pressing it to the end, then pick it up. Now you can do the whole flappy thing that you see a lot of people do. I personally believe that knot destroys a lot of the air and just creates it out. So I prefer to do this claw and dishcloth method that you can see in another video. But here, all I'm doing, very gently, just stretching it out using my left hand to create the width, that diameter, and then what? 25, 30 seconds later, it's 12 inches. Just like that. That's it. That's really it. Then I'm going to get my Great Balls of Flour. Pizza feel. Genuine branding, don't accept anything less. Little pinch of flour and semolina over the top, again, just to stop it from flowing. Then I'll place on our pizza base on top, give it a shovel. Some tomato sauce, roughly about 70-75 grams. Get used to it. You don't want too much, you don't want it to overpower. You want all the flavours of pizza, I think, to balance. So here we go, just press that through. Sauce done. Next, cheese. Pizzaiolo. It's the Roman style of cheese. You get the Julienne down in Napoli. It's funny how they have different types of cut of cheese over in Italy. But I think it's funny. The crumb I think is Milanese. So there we go. That's sprinkled on top nicely. And here I've got some of our Napoli pepper and fennel sausage meat. It's not cooked. It will cook in the time that we have it in the oven. So I just break off little dollops, almost meatball size, slightly smaller. For those that remember marbles, probably a marble size, might reduce a bit. Cover the top with that. Robert is now your uncle. And then we go to the oven. Google. Oven. On with the timer. That's like key ingredient timer. Here's one we prepared earlier. 2 minutes now. You can just speed it up. You don't want to listen to me waffle for 2 minutes. Not long left now. When this is flashing, it's there. There we go. Beep. Now, I'm pretty sure, even from this distance, you're going to be able to see that. I'll put it up for the other camera anyway. Look at that. Even after the amount of years I've been making pizza, and even after the amount of pizza I've eaten, I still love and get the satisfaction of seeing something like this. The meat is perfectly cooked. I have a light and an airy base, and we've got any garlic dip. These crusts are made for absolutely for garlic dip. I'm going to show you this. Absolutely delicious. So let me just mozzarella. Pop it on the spoon a bit. Absolutely delicious. So this, when I eat it, smell. I've got the fennel flavour coming out. Don't worry about the garlic dip. We'll have it off camera. But it is available to order through the shop. If you have any questions, please drop us a line. You can drop a comment underneath. Best way to get in touch with us is Facebook Messenger or Instagram Messenger. Like the video if you did like it, subscribe to here. You can also take out a pizza subscription as well, did you know? Which is absolutely fantastic, saves you forgetting or ever running out of your dough balls. We have our various different extras that you can get. Great balls of flour parchment paper here, which this pizza is now going to sit on. Absolutely perfect for everything. Your flour and semolina. Don't forget your proofing pots. You really do need proofing pots. They give a visual reference to when the dough is ready, and they are perfect. And they stack. Knock them away. They're perfect for the fridge because you can stack them on top of one another. Thank you very much for watching. Watch out for the next video.